At ang malikot.
Isang malikot.
At kang malikot.
You too, don't be so malikot. Why your hair is yellow and half a red? Look, your hair half a red and yellow, but the red is
You are
the top.
everybody my love so you see so good stuff.
Yung napakalakas bagay Isa package and we were hot like fire. You're so fly like pasas kaya. Gusto kita and I want inay. Pag napasakin ka, Diyos ko pa inay. Crazy na bala. Tagpuan ko na ang hinahanap ng dalaga. Siya ang Diyos ng buhay ko. Ang liwan na siya, Diyos ng buhay ko. Diyos ng buhay ko. Akala ko wala lang kwenta ang buhay ko. Pero pag... ay, at animisong naman na... Ba't animisong? Animisong? What kind of animisong but my animisong is also a nightcore.
Gusto mo ako kakanta?
Okay po. Go daddy, go daddy, go daddy, song daddy, go daddy, let's sing daddy.
Pero nahihiya ako.
Why, Dad?
Kasi pangit ng boses ko.
No? It sounds equal for me. Your voice is unequal for me.
Mas maganda yung boses mo. Kasi,
No?
kasi ano, kurang.
No, not kurang.
At
At
kasi lolo na ako, di ba?
Daddy,
Di ba? Matanda na yung boses ko.
look, she do that na naman. The first I enter here, do that. Look, mommy. Look, mommy's eyes. Look, daddy. Don't do that again, daddy.
Bakit?
Because mommy, look, mommy's eyes.
Hindi, maganda kaya.
No.
Huwag mo isipin yun.
Daddy has a girlfriend.
Alam
Ocho.
mo, minulong ko kanya. Pero nagbubulag-bulag ka. Hindi na ako kakanta. Wala pa akong sports car. Bakit? Kayla, nung kumanta ka, Kayla, binigyan ka ng maraming gift. Tapos pag ako yung kumanta, wala man lang kahit isang donut.
But I didn't know who give me.
Si tita, si ate Kageway.
And
Ay, ayun. Nakonsensya din.
Ate Kagi, thank you so much. Love you. Thank you for the gift and love you so much, Mwah. But I should know
Ate Kagiri. Kumanta din ako, Ate Kagiri. Bakit wala akong gift, Ate Kagiri?
Mommy, thank you so much. Love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ee, Thank you again, Tita Yara. Thank you, love you.
Ako din.
Wait, Ati, wait. Hi, Trixie. Thank you for the joining us. Then you have a receive a rose. Rose on. Yan. Thank you for the joining us.
Bakit ako nag-join din ako? Una akong sumayaw, ba't wala akong gift?
Dad, you like a donut?
I think, ayun. Ay.
Don't need the donut.
Ay, ang dami kong stars. Marami na akong stars. Girl, twinkle little star.
How about mommy?
Nakita niyo ba yung nag-trending?